Have you ever wondered what would happen if humanity accidentally discovered a doorway to somewhere else in the universe, a place not meant for us? Well, a few months ago, astronomers spotted something so strange, so unbelievably out of pattern, that NASA quietly began running emergency simulations behind closed doors. It wasn't an asteroid. It wasn't a black hole. It wasn't even a new planet. It was something moving, something reacting, something that shouldn't exist at all. And tonight, you're going to hear the full story, from the first detection to the shocking discovery that changed everything. In early 2025, the Allen Telescope Array picked up a faint, repeating pulse from 1,100 light-years away. At first, scientists thought it was just another FRB, a fast radio burst caused by dying stars. But this signal wasn't random. It repeated exactly every 57 minutes, with no drift, no noise, no variation. That's impossible for nature. It's too clean, too perfect. Within 24 hours, radio observatories around the world began pointing their dishes toward the same region in the Cygnus constellation. Every telescope saw the exact same thing, a message-like pattern pulsing like a heartbeat across the void. But then something even stranger happened. The signal didn't stay constant, it got stronger, as if whatever was sending it had noticed us. When the James Webb Space Telescope zoomed in, scientists expected to see a star, a pulsar, or maybe debris. What they actually saw sent shivers through the entire scientific community. Floating in the darkness was a perfect geometric structure, a massive ring, smooth, metallic, and impossibly precise, orbiting nothing. No star, no planet, just floating. Its diameter, nearly 3 times the size of Saturn's rings. Its symmetry, mathematically flawless. Its composition, unknown, completely different from any natural material discovered in the universe. At this point, scientists stopped calling it a signal. They started calling it the doorway. Immediately, experts began drawing comparisons to a Dyson sphere, but this wasn't a structure built around a star. This thing was sitting in empty space, absorbing nothing, emitting nothing, except one repeating pulse targeting our direction. Then came a breakthrough. When researchers analyzed the pulse at a microscopic scale, they found the signal wasn't just repeating, it was changing slightly each time, like a lock combination shifting. Why would a natural object change its pulse like that? You already know the answer. It wouldn't. Something intelligent was manipulating it. Something patient. Something old. Something that had built a gateway the size of a planet and was now knocking on our cosmic door. For weeks, the object remained still, silent, cold. Then, on a random Tuesday at 3:14 a.m. Eastern Time, it moved. Not drifted, not tilted, rotated. A perfect, controlled 1-degree turn, like a machine powering on for the first time in millions of years. NASA's Deep Space Network recorded the moment. The pulse stopped, the ring glowed, and then a beam of light shot through its center into empty space. But when astronomers traced the beam's direction, they made the most chilling discovery yet. The light was pointing straight at Earth. Behind the scenes, agencies went into full lockdown mode. Military satellites repositioned, communication channels encrypted. Researchers were told not to speak publicly. Why? Because the beam wasn't a signal. It was a scan, a sweeping analysis of our solar system and probably our planet. Data showed changes in the intensity of the beam that matched Earth's atmosphere composition, water levels, and electromagnetic output. It wasn't random. It was measuring us. Imagine building a doorway and then lighting it up to check who's standing on the other side. That's exactly what it looked like. As the beam continued, astrophysicists presented a jaw-dropping theory. What if the ring wasn't a structure at all? What if it was a transportation system, a cosmic gate, waiting for someone to activate it? The shifting pulse? A password. A combination? A key. The rotation? A startup sequence. The beam? A scan to verify if conditions were safe. What if this wasn't a threat, but an ancient technology left behind by a civilization far older than our entire species? It wouldn't be the first time the universe kept secrets bigger than imagination. Black holes, quasars, dark matter. Why not a gateway? But then came the darker theory, and this one had the Pentagon's full attention. If it's a gateway, then it's possible that something, or someone, could step through it. The question isn't just who built it. The real question is, are they coming back? Was this a long-distance portal, a one-way escape route, a warning, or a trap? Every scenario raised the same chilling concern. What if activating the doorway wasn't an accident, but a response? As of the last observation, something extraordinary happened. The beam powered down, the pulse stopped, the ring began rotating faster. 48 RPM, 72 RPM, 100 RPM. Then the center turned completely black, a darkness different from space, like a hole being punched through reality itself. Scientists don't know what's on the other side. No light escapes it, no radiation, no noise. Just a silent, expanding void inside the ring. A doorway, finally opening. Whatever happens next will change human history forever. And the biggest question remains, do we step through it or wait for something to step out?